We made a gingerbread with candy on it.
You gonna take a bite?
Now?
Yes.
I want to take a bite when we don't take a photo.
Take a bite. It's time. Come on, Indy.
It looks delicious.
Which piece do you want, Dee?
Eyeball.
Grab one.
Grab them. It's time to eat it.
What a treat.
Only sharing.
Yummy.
Thank you.
More.
Oh, thank you.
Candies are falling.
Fruity.
Good.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas, Cindy.
He's dropping candy.
Can you eat the snowplow?
Yes, you may.
Mama. But it doesn't come off.
Tug it. There, you got it.
The ginger tastes good.
You like it?
It tastes really good.
Oh, Indy found the stash of M&Ms in there.
It's the fuel for the train.
In the caboose.
He doesn't have to eat his snowplow.
Oh, because Aria's eating it? You like it?
That's good. And it mixed with sugar. I love you. Want to take a bite?
I love you too.
Want to take a bite, Mama?
I want you to eat as much as you want. I can have some later.
Tastes good.
He looks pretty pleased.
It tastes a little spicy.
A little bit spicy, the gingerbread,
Mhm.
but you still like it?
Yes.
Mm.
And it's a little bit spicy.
Sometimes ginger is spicy, yeah. But in a cookie, they mix it with sugar and butter and eggs, so it shouldn't be too spicy. Oh, Indy's organizing.
Here's some snowplow for you.
No, thank you.
Indy might try it.
Here. Will you like the snowplow? Here, Mama.
You got it. I already gave it to you.
Can you taste it?
What are you eating?
Those little fruity ones.
Which little food?
Have you tried a peppermint yet?
Those are suckers. You don't want to chew on them.
Oh!
Uh-oh!
Oh, look at that. Oh, Indy's upset. Oh, where'd you find the funnel?
Hmm?
Wow. What fun. Good job, girls.
We're so hungry for dessert.
You want to say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas, Mama. Merry Christmas also, Mama, Papa, and Indy.
Anybody else who might be watching this video?
What video?
Mama's making videos.
Camera shy now.
No.
You eating those?
Mm-hmm.
Yum yum.
Oh, no.
Oh no!
dear.
Candy everywhere.
Let me help you with that.
Oh.
Merry Christmas, Indy.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, she's got a whole piece of the caboose. Oh,
Oh, no.
she's upset. Look at all the candy spilled. Sticky.
Tastes like candy cane.
Yeah, does it taste like peppermint?
Is it candy cane?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no! Oh no! See, Bobo.
Uh-oh. Which one?
Oh, I moved it. Mama. I moved it. You want fruity ones? What are you eating?
Love you, family. You guys are cute.